Hello, I'm Charlie with Paradise Greens and Turf Company. We're in sunny Scottsdale, Arizona and DC Ranch, and this is Icon. This is a creative design build project. We've been working with creative for over 10 years, doing applications like you see here today. And underneath us is the pedestal system, raised, and you could do anything from tiles to pickleball courts. We used a fiber grate system, and that system is what the sport tiles go on. In this scenario, it's for specifically a pickleball court. We did the custom white lines, and then for synthetic grass, this is a SYNLawn product. It's the SYNAugustine 347, all USA made. Even the backing is grown by US soybean growers. And if you're interested in this product, it's a great product, especially during the summer months. It does have a DualChill technology. So when you have direct sunlight on it, it does stay much cooler for radiating heat. And if you're interested in getting a free design estimate for any application like this for commercial or residential, feel free to call us at 480-586-0655. And you can take a look at us at paradisegreens.com or in any of our social media, which is Paradise Greens. Thanks for watching.